Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jayakody YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use some models of Jeda AI. And actually this is a new feature because it was released I think about a week ago. And now you can see GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT 4 Turbo and Cloud 3 Haiku and Cloud 3 Sonic. Actually you can see there's an icon here. This is like a brain and this is like a brain, but this is kind of a maybe flashlight. Okay. However, whatever it is, today I'm going to show you what is the best and in my opinion, okay, what is the speediest thing and what is the best thing and like that. Let's see. And here I'm going to click on this option here, okay, and then text generate as a text. So then you can use this like a chat gpt thing, but this is not chat gpt. Actually this is better than that because there are so many options that you can get output. Universal analysis, mind maps. Okay, if you need a mind map, you can click on this mind map option. Then you can see the preview here. Okay, and if you need a flowchart, so you can use this flowchart option here. And if you need a wireframe for your website, maybe any idea, so you can use this option. And also sticky note, you will get some sticky notes type things. And also art, you can generate some arts also. The best features I've ever seen is data gpt and document gpt. So cool. Actually you can upload a document here, and then you can ask any type of questions on that document. And also document, sorry, this is data gpt means it's for excel, okay, not for documents. Okay, it's for excel, so you can upload csv, maybe xlsx or whatever they got. Actually then you can ask any type of questions and you can generate some bar graph, maybe column charts or whatever you got. Okay, and also document gpt, the thing I said before, you can upload a pdf or maybe text file or docx, maybe that's called word file. Okay, whatever the thing, then you can get ask some questions about the document by using this option. And however, now I'm going to click on this text option, and then you can see some automatically generated prompts are there. And I can click on this more option here. Then you can see a blog post on the hidden engineering marvel of amusement parks and mentorship program outlined for aspiring and entrepreneurs, and guide on active listening technique for support agent, job description template for marketing manager position, and b2b service pitch deck for office supply companies. And you can click on this load more option, then you will be able to see more and more. And here resume template for senior software engineer. Okay, today I'm going to use this one. Okay, this actually with all the models here I'm going to use this one. And first click on it, and then you can actually copy this thing for the later usage. Okay, I mean I'm going to use the same thing again and again by using actually to check the all the models there. Okay, gpt 3.5, fog, cloud 3 and cloud 3 haiku and sonnet. Okay, anyways, now after typing this here, so you have to type it. Okay, then you can click on this dynamic prompt option. This is so cool because after typing this kind of a thing, actually it will generate some dynamic questions like what programming languages are you proficient in, and what specific software engineering skills do possess. Actually ChatGPT won't ask you any questions right now. Jeda AI will ask you some questions, and it will make you actually it will make you make it better. Okay, I think make it easy to generate a prompt. It will make it easy to generate a prompt, I think, with some detailed targeting. Okay, and resume template for senior software engineer. I'm not going to use dynamic prompt for now, but I'm going to click on this generate option here, and then I have to wait. Let's see how the result comes. Actually this is not an edited video. Okay, this is a full live video, so let's see how it performs. What? Great. Now you got the thing here. Okay, you can click on this pen option here. Okay, and then you can drag it, zoom it by using control and mouse scroll. And this is the objective, full name, address, phone number, and this is like this is just a template. Okay, we just asked for a resume template, right? And to obtain senior software engineer position, blah blah blah. No. I'm not going to read it, by the way. This is just a part I generated from GPT 3.5 model. Now I'm going to change that model to GPT 4 Turbo. Let's see how the speed is. Pressed. And then finally we will compare what is the best result. Okay, actually I can't say this is the best result and this is the best result, not that much. Okay, by the way, you have to decide what you have to use. I mean, in my opinion, I really like cloud because cloud got some critical thinking part. But if you need to write something, maybe creative thing, okay, then you have to use GPT-4. I really recommend you to use GPT-4, GPT 3.5. Both are better. But if you need more creative things, then you have to use GPT-4. But if you got something to solve, then you can ask Cloud about that. Okay. It takes maybe my internet connection can be, but I don't know. Anyways, let's see. Hope my internet connection is better. Okay, cool. And if you think it's getting more time, then you can click on this about button, but I'm not going to do it for now. Let's see for a few seconds. Because I'm using GPT-4 here. Before I used GPT 3.5, now I'm using GPT-4. I think better to abort this and then click again. Hope it will fix the thing. Okay. Okay, great. I got the result here, but it took more time than GPT 3.5. I think it's not about the internet connection. Maybe it's because the content is too long, I think. Let's see. Okay, this thing here. And yeah, as I said, the content is too long, more than actually, I think, GPT 3.5. Also, it's more organized. You can see that here, right? It's more organized. And I really like that answer, but let's see. Senior software engineer, campaign name, location, month, year, present. Yeah, if you are actually, if you need to make a better CV, then you have to use this, by the way. GPT 3.5 didn't say what to do, but when GPT-4 says when crafting a resume for a senior software engineer position, it's crucial to highlight not just technical proficiency, but also leadership experience, problem solving skills, and contribution to project and team success. Below is a template to help you get started. Remember to tailor your resume to reflect your unique experience and achievements. Okay, guys, let's see about how the Cloud Tree Haiku performs. Okay, click to generate. Oops, what happened? What happened? What was that? Okay, something is wrong. I just missed that. Okay, I got it. Okay, this is the GPT 3.5. I'm going to place the cursor here and then type GPT 3.5. And here I'm going to place the cursor again, GPT 4. And this is the Cloud Tree. What is that? Cloud Tree Haiku, right? Cloud Tree Haiku. So you can do a research about these things, by the way, but I'm going to copy this. So wait, not copy. 3.4. Okay. Cloud Tree Haiku. Sorry. And here's a resume template for senior software engineer. This is different. Okay, you can see that, right? So summary. There's a summary, but GPT-4 or 3.5 did. Yeah, GPT 3.5 gave us a summary, but GPT-4 didn't give us a summary. And both the skills are there. Proficient programming language, listed primary programming language. Okay, expertise, solid experience, a better, almost good. Mm-hmm. Let's see with the sonnet part. Okay, and I'm going to select sonnet here. Sonnet. Okay, that's a brain thing. I hope it will generate more and more thing. Okay, let's click to generate. Let's go with that. And here we are going to get the sonnet. I think Claude 3.5 performed well, right? But need to check more. Sonnet is also better. Mm, I need to check GPT-4 again. I think GPT-4 got more time, by the way. And Sonnet has some differences, right? Yeah. Actually, we can't say these are the differences, but you can click on this again. Okay, then I think the result will be different, as I think. Okay, as I think the result will be different. Let's see the result, because this is also from Sonnet and now generating from again from the Sonnet. So again this one, as I said, yeah. Finally we could understand that the mostly template is the same thing, but the some words are have been changed, and also the here you can see portfolio personal website URL, but not on this, but this one shows that thing. And here your state, city or state, but this is called address like that. But the same thing here, same structure, you can see X here, XCS, and but this doesn't have that. Okay, I think if you need to generate a great thing, I think you have to use cloud. Okay, I really like cloud, but if you need to generate more and more contents, then you can use GPT-4, because you can see there are a lot of things here. And I can try also, actually try another story. Okay, I can try to write it, write a story also, but this is not the time, I think. And I just wanted to say that these models are so cool actually. If you're going to buy Claude 3 Sonnet, or maybe Claude 3 or GPT, so you have to use only GPT, or you have to use only Claude. But if you use Jeda, so you can get more things out of the Jeda, so that's the best part, and you have to only pay for the subscription of Jeda. That's all, guys. Now I'm going to ask. Actually, I'm going to select this. Okay. Now I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to wait. Click on this AI Alchemy option here. There's another option called AI Alchemy. Okay. And then I'm going to ask first select the art option here. Okay. And then you can ask to generate. I don't know whether it will give a result. Okay. By the way, I'm going to ask generate a CV template by using the given CV template design by using the given details. Okay, I don't know whether it will be able to do it, but let's try. Okay, maybe if we can get a design CV template design, so I just ask for a CV template design. So if we can get a design, so we can use PowerPoint and then design something. Okay, just think you need to generate your CV, so you can use PowerPoint here. Okay, just go to PowerPoint and I will show you how you can do that. Okay, and just go to PowerPoint. It's also generating, and then blank presentation. Okay, and then you can go to design tab here. So most of the people's use a Word, but you can use this PowerPoint option, and then you can go to design, and then you have to go to slide size, and then click on this custom slide size. Then click on this A4 option. If you need to create your CV on A4, then you have to click on this A4 option, and then portrait, and okay, that's all. Then maximize, then you will be able to get a better output. And then you have to use this home, and then go to layouts, and then blank, and then you can use any text box, any shape, anything here, any images, whatever you got. Okay, I think it's better than Word, using Word. I just created my CV. So CV is using PowerPoint. That's what I needed to say you, that you have to use that thing also. By the way, this is the generated art. This is not better, but actually this is better. Not no. Actually, this is better because this is just an art, by the way. Okay, I just tried to get that thing from out of the Jedi, but senior software engineer, personal details, you can store them, and personal, what is that? I don't know. And he's leading. Oh, actually not working with text, by the way. But however, I'm going to delete this, and here you can click on this AI menu option here. Then you can see strategic planning and product and marketing, sales, and there are a lot of things that you can use with the same model as we needed. Okay, actually here you can see medic, right? Medic, option here is it's a sales plan. Okay, so you have to type for what and for whom and goals and purposes and decision criteria, identified plain, and so everything has been asked. So you have to provide only answers. Okay, then it will generate a cool outcome. Okay, guys, that's all for now. I really wanted to you to know that how the models are working, okay, on Jedi AI. Actually really great. So I think you should buy this Jedi AI subscription from now on, and don't invest any other you don't have to, actually don't. I'm not saying that you don't have to use any other AI things, but I'm saying that if you invest on this, it's better to use Jedi AI only, because you can generate text, and also you can generate some what actually you can generate some maybe kind of kind of charts, and also wireframes, and there are a lot of things that you can use with this actually. For the last thing, I'm going to use analysis option here, and then I'm going to use this sort analysis for new market entry, and then click to generate. Let's see how the output looks like. So this is the magic of Jedi. I really like this. When you use the analysis, it will show you this is the thing and la 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 blah, blah like that. Okay, let's see. And also this is kind of a large workspace. Okay, if you have already used Excel, so Excel also got the same thing. Okay, it has a sheet, and also Jira has got a sheet. This is called canvas, by the way. Wait, and now I got the sort analysis for new market entry. Okay, so this is how the analysis works. Really great. Actually, all the things are in boxes, and you can see strengths and weaknesses, opportunities. Actually, this is a cool template, right? Okay, why you should not buy this? Okay, guys, just think about that, and I'm going to go now. Bye, have a nice